छिंदवाड़ा में जहरीले कफ सिरप के कारण 3 और बच्चों की मौत की खबर सामने आई है। अभी तक कुल 17 बच्चों की मौत हो चुकी है।
When people die because of contaminated cough syrup, the real question is who is responsible. The first thing we should ask is what were the government agencies doing? Why was not the quality of these syrups tested before they reached medical stores? Arresting the doctor who prescribed the medicine misses the point. How can a doctor know if a drug is unsafe? It is the job of regulatory bodies to ensure medicines are safe. The responsibility lies with the government, but instead of accountability, we see a blame game.
अरे करप्शन के ऊपर आप डेटॉल से मुंह साफ कर दो।
What is even more troubling is that many people don't realize where the real fault lies.